on number 3, a medication of 1 gram in 4 mLs is to be diluted to 60 mLs and infused over 90 minutes. So to find the volume of diluent, I want to take the 60 that we're trying to get minus the 4 that we already have, and this gets us 56 mLs. Then they want us to find the flow rate in mLs per hour. So on the previous questions, they were in GTT per minute, which means you had to use the formula. But on this one, it's in mLs per hour, so it's a little bit different. We're not going to be using the formula. So if we look at what we know, the 60 mLs is infusing over 90 minutes. So we know that it's 60 mLs over 90 minutes. So to figure out how much it is per hour, we just need to set this up in a proportion with 1 hour, which is 60 minutes. So 60 times 60 divided by 90, and we get 40. So this is 40 mLs per hour. So we knew the rate was 60 mLs per 90 minutes, and using this proportion we figured out what that is in per hour.